Students, we will discuss about the poem Dad and the Cat and the Tree by Kit Wright. In the previous video, it was told that a cat was stuck on the tree and Dad was determined to rescue that cat. He was very much confident that he will be able to rescue it. But he failed. Now see, never mind, said Dad, brushing the dirt off his hair and his face, and his trousers and his shirt. In the first 4 paragraphs, it was told that Dad tried to climb the tree, but he fell on the flower bed. And now he brushed the dirt from the hair and face and trousers and shirt and said, "Never mind. We will try plan B. Stand out of the way," Mom said. "Don't fall again, okay?" Now he is again determined to climb the tree and he will try plan B. But Mom is always reminding him that don't fall because Mom knows that the dad is overconfident that he is a very good climber. "Fall again?" said Dad. "Funny joke." Then he swung himself up on a branch. It broke. Now, when Mom said to Dad, "Fall again," means he took it very lightly. He said it is a funny joke. Then what he did, he swung himself on the branch of the tree. But unfortunately, that branch only broke. So, this plan also failed. But we will see that he is very much determined to rescue the cat from the tree. Dad landed Wallop back on the deck. Mom said, "Stop it, you will break your neck." Means as the branch broke, Dad just walloped on the ground. And Mom was again reminding him that stop it. Now by doing all these things, you will break your neck. But the dad, he was very overconfident. He was not ready to listen to Mom. And now we will see what is his next plan. Will he be able to rescue the cat? So let's see his next plan. "Rubbish," said Dad. "Now we will try plan C. Easy as winking to a climber like me." Now he again took it lightly. He took the words of Mom lightly. And he said, "Rubbish. Now we will try plan C. And plan C is very easy as winking. To a climber like me." Means as it is always said that Dad is overconfident that he is a very good climber. So he said that now I will try plan C, which is very easy as winking. So let's see what is his plan C. Then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? He didn't fall. Okay, now this time his plan C, which according to him was as easy as winking, he climbed up the garden wall. But luckily this time he didn't fall. So what will happen? Will really Dad able to rescue the cat? Or something else will happen? So now when he climbed the wall, from there he will jump on the tree trunk. He gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk, right on the cat. So now from the garden wall he gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk. Means the place where the cat was seated, he just leapt there and he directly landed on the cat. So luckily he was able to climb the tree, isn't? But now what happened? Will he rescue the cat? The cat gave a yell and sprang to the ground, pleased as Punch to be safe and sound. So now what happened when he landed on the cat yelled and sprang to the ground. Means the cat was frightened and it sprang to the ground, and it was very much happy, and as it was safe and sound. So now we see that cat is finally on the ground. But did the father help the cat? No. Father tried to help the cat, but he did something else. He landed on the cat, and by itself cat came down. So it's smiling and smirking, smug as can be. But poor old dad is still stuck up the tree. Now what happened? The cat is very happy because the cat is finally in the ground. It is smiling and it is very much comfortable. But unfortunately, the poor dad, he is now stuck up on the tree. So now who will help him to come down? So we get a moral of this poem that we should never be overconfident. Confident is good, but overconfident is not good. So here few questions for you. Plan C was a success. What went wrong then? Write the answers in your copy. Describe Plan A and its consequences. Means what was Plan A and what happened at the end of the Plan A. Means what was the result of Plan A. Why was Dad sure he would not fall? Okay, so these are the questions you will write in your copy. I hope you enjoyed the poem. Any queries? Please, you are free to ask me. Thank you.